Have you ever wanted to make your own amazing stickers with your own Cricut machine with just a simple download? Stick around, I'll show you how. In this video, you'll learn how to create professional looking stickers with a free PNG image download to kickstart your project. Many crafters struggle to design and produce high quality stickers that stand out, but don't feel overwhelmed because creating high quality stickers requires a combination of good design, the right materials, and a solid understanding of how your Cricut machine works. First thing, go into Cricut Design Space and change your background of your canvas to a different color so you can see the outline of your stickers. Next, you'll need to download the free PNG file found on my website, judyscraftstudio.com, in the library. And you'll need to upload that into your Cricut Design Space software. You'll upload it by either dropping that file you just downloaded into this box here or hit the browse button and find it into one of your files. So you just drop your picture right in here. This high quality image set I generated using Midjourney AI, which I further upscaled and edited them and turned them into a PNG image, which is scalable. And this is what you're going to be using today. I've already given you a transparent background, so no work to do here. So just hit apply and continue. You want to pick that flat graphic because this is going to be a print and cut image. So go ahead and pick that one and hit continue. And now looking at this to see if there's anything you need to do or save it to a certain way, go ahead and do it. And it will populate onto your canvas. Now these images should be just about the right size to use on your print and cut. If it's not and it's too large, it will tell you over on the right side over here that it's too large and just hit it to scale down. Or you can just make them smaller if you like. These will end up being about 2-inch, just slightly over 2-inch size images a piece. So don't worry about the low resolution message it gives here. These are very high resolution images and they will be printed out very, very nicely. Now look at this image here. These little kitty cats are pretty hairy, very, very furry. And if we should cut them out and put a border around, without putting a border around these, we will take a long time cutting these out on the Cricut because all these little jagged areas. So it's very important to put an offset border around here. So it makes it go a lot faster when we cut these out. Plus it gives it a nice sticker look to them. So go ahead and put in here as 0.9 inches. And you'll see how that goes around the kitties and it comes out as a black border. Go ahead to the top and change its color to white. All right, that looks perfect. Next thing you want to do is select both sets of these images, the image and offset together, and we are going to attach these and then flatten them. And then go down and hit the attach button, then flatten, and this will make it a print then cut file. Now go over here to the make button and it will go ahead and show up here on our project a preview. And I'm just going to scoot these images up on here. This will leave me a little extra space at the bottom where I can use that paper for something else. Select your Cricut Maker at the top and then go over here to the printer button. And when you send it to printer, you'll see this little message come up. This little arrow, this is direction your paper will go inside of your Cricut machine. And after you preview this, it looks good. Go ahead and hit next and go ahead and choose your printer. I use an Epson 3850 Echo Tank. It prints stickers very well. And since we're printing a white border around these stickers, we don't need to add bleed. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, but I will turn the print preferences on because I'm going to pick the type of paper I'm going to use. Now, after much trial and error, I have discovered that to print these stickers on a glossy vinyl sticker sheet that I need to pick the glossy photo paper. And this turns out perfect every single time. Now, I don't go in and put in for high resolution. I just print as is, and these come out perfect every single time. But do test what you like for your printer because everyone's different. And now we're going to pick what we're going to print it on. Now, if you have never used sticker paper before or you haven't saved it as a favorite, go over here, browse your materials. And you want to type in sticker at the top. And this will give you a list of different types of sticker papers. And this will be a good starter for what you're going to pick. Now, I like to use RONTV, RONTC printable vinyl sticker paper, and this is a waterproof sticker paper that I really love, and I buy it from Amazon, and I use this for all my stickers that I make. And so we'll go ahead and load it up, and I'm going to put more pressure, and then I'm going to make sure my fine point blade is picked. Now when these print out, it's going to be like a kiss cut sticker. They're going to turn out where they stay on the backing paper, but they're cut around. So let's go over and get these cut on the Cricut Maker. Hit that go button right there and be right back. Okay, here's my printed sheet. I have it on my mat and lined it up, the arrows at the top, and let's put it through the machine. Okay, here we go, nice and cut. So I like to save that little bottom piece, but on the back here, I'm going to show you. See, I print my sticker paper a little logo on there so I know which side is up when I put it in the printer, so there's no guessing. So I'm going to cut away that bottom section and save that for another project in the future. Whether I'm gluing together a sticker or printing on it, it'll come in handy. All right, so what I like to do with these stickers is just peel off the outside stickiness that we don't need anymore, and that leaves the stickers on the backing sheet. And just carefully do this so you don't pull your stickers up and off of there, but look how easy that comes off. This is called Kiss Cut, where the sticker stays on the sheet and the paper just comes right off. These came out so adorable. Oh, I can't stand it. Oh my gosh. I hope you really enjoy this download. Let me know what you think of these in the comments below. That really helps. Please subscribe to my channel. I really like to hear what you think about these free downloads. And if you want me to do more of these, I do have a couple more coming up. What extra things we can do with these type of stickers, how you personalize them, they will be coming up in the near future. So keep an eye out for those. And I will have some more free downloads available coming up also. But I just find these adorable. These are going to be great for some bookmarks or for put on your coffee mugs. Or on notebooks or anything like that. These are great stickers, and hope you like them. Let me know what you think, and I will see you on that next crafting round, and I'll show you some more Cricut stuff. Check out my other videos. There are a lot of fun projects there, along with some other free downloads, and I will catch you soon for a next crafty project. Catch you then.